Papa, what are you doing?
Don't post it. Don't post it. I will kill you. I will kill you, mommy.
Fake life today her body. Wonder when she will learn. Oh, they only post what people want to see. They will never post what the suffer indoors. I'm done with Instagram. Damn. There you go again, Mrs. Always Depressed. My people, I see this matter, this one, na bungalow matter, as in, you, where you get friends, make you know the kind thing where they take talk, or what the kind life you they take live with these friends, because the day where you go say, this friendship is over, my people, you go shock wetin go come out. Una sabi say this two when a Nollywood actress turned to DK and in bestie Bobrisky, they don't go sir some weeks ago, and people take the wonder say, but wetin dey happen, as in wetin dey play, my people. We no know wetin actually conspire for back, so we just dey look, my people. Some days ago, this our Nollywood actress turned to DK come showcase her new sugar boo, my people. As she come out, some people come dey celebrate her, some people come dey congratulate her, my people. Hold and behold, bestie, my people, he can't give now warning. Say Mrs. Always Depressed, you know the learn lesson. Fake life everywhere, my people. Now, as Bobrisky take talk, so now he turn to DK self, he no leave him, he just carry and compost for her page. A jealous demon may appear as a supportive angel. Be watchful, my people. As Tonto Dike come out, say, come talk, say, Bobrisky, they jealous, na jealous, so. Because, yes, we don't think this matter. Say, na jealousy, or no be jealousy, but because, say, since we Tonto Dike, no be don't come with this her new sugar book come outside, say, Bobrisky, no be don't come talk this one of fake life. Bobrisky, no be don't ever come talk this one, say, say she dey do na fake life, for say Tonto Dike na fake life she dey live. Say she dey post na wetin wey people wan see, no be wetin wey she dey experience for indoors, my people. As Tonto Dike take post this one, my people, Bobrisky give am to ram bomber to bomber. Bobrisky say, laughing out my ass, as in jealous, how biko, auntie pay your debt. You the old person, you are still fighting the person. Fear God, oh, anti born again where they smoke igbo. XK for corner. My people, I see this matter. That same way Bobrisky take shake her, my people. If it's tumble side. Una sabi say it continue. He say, if the born you will come for me, I can bet my life you can't, cause you know I'm the boss. I will teach you how to throw heavy shade. I go learn that one for school. 5 million no be being so. I get receipt so. Who can borrow a friend up to 5 million these days? My people, as Tonto Dike come put outside, say, jealous friend, oh, now somebody wey dey jealous, oh, una Sabina, Bobrisky just come out. He say, I dare you. I dare you to come for me. I go show you, say, me know how to throw heavy shit. As in, you know nothing for this game. Now, me be the boss. My people, in fact, the matter just dey. Una sabi say when Tonto Dike be bring this her new sugar boo for outside, a lot of people can't talk. Even Sade of Lotipo can't talk, say, my friend, you never learn lesson. You suppose keep your relationship private. Tonto Dike come give her to her, say, oh, Mrs. Motivational Speaker, oh, my people. Now the surfaces just don't they pop. As in jealous minds don't they pop everywhere. Because say before too, as in Bobrisky no be come out come talk, say Tonto Dike they owe 5 million, my people. But if true, Tonto Dike this the owe Bobrisky 5 million, my beautiful people. Then why take the live the fake life? As in, wait till fake life don't do all of us for this 21st century. As in, people they package, People can package your life into frustration. As in, they go package, so take put for the gram, you go think say you know they anywhere close to success. My people, if truly in a packaging way, this our Nollywood actress they do, what is she gain? I beg go my people, this one a better lesson to all of us. You where they do bestie, as in bestie for life, bestie na year, bestie come here, bestie don't do this, bestie don't do that. Be very careful, oh. Yes, make you use your tongue, take out your teeth, oh, because this person wey they call bestie, if wahala come bust out, my people, now the person self go come out with him full chest, can't expose your private life for outside. My people, and as una know our Tonto Dike, she too know they live her like that, she too she come outside, she say, all these people sending me DMs, have I not said this time and again that my attention is very expensive? I love me more, so please chill. I have a good head on my shoulders. Moreover, I ain't no longer a pig and don't associate with the mud. Hey, my people. Una hear that one? Tonto Dike say she no be pig anymore. As in, she no dey deal with mud anymore. Now be say Bobrisky na mud na. Now be say before Tonto Dike they accept say she be na pig. Now why that she be the megri more with Bobrisky? As in she don't realize who she did now. She not dey mingle with mud anymore because she no be pig again. My people, she continue say, do you really think I spend millions of naira on leadership school fee in vain? Do you think I grew to just use 1 second they grow? I like you all to have a little faith in the woman you call king. My people, this one, we don't know whether na indirect way for tell us say, say this millions wey Bobrisky they talk about. Now audio debt, so my people, I see am, I say, where I no go take bring this matter for us, make we take chook mouth put. My people, wait to not think about am. Say now audio is there or na true because as one way to wake King Tonto come talk, say she they spend millions now because she won't become somebody. Say she not grow na per second, she take her time. Now her hustle, my people. I see the matter, I say, wait till they play. Anyways, my people, the thing where we supposed to learn from this one, I say, bestie. If Kwasala boss tomorrow, be careful, or ya nyash feed the outside just like that. But see where it take the support you right now, when Kwasala boss, my beautiful people, now that person go come out with him full chest, can expose you for outside. Can they tell you, say, I dare you to come for me. Anyways, my people, we go stop this video for you. But before one go, please don't forget to subscribe and to turn on your post notification so that whenever me I upload a video, you will be amongst the first to be notified. I will see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Love you all. Cheers.